Hi, good morning. This is Kate from Elite Rentals. It's the 24th of February and today I'm out checking on some of our projects that we've got going on right now. So due to the current restrictions, some of our owners have taken advantage of the time to do renovations in the properties. And today I'm here at Casa Irena, where the owners cannot be here, clearly. And so we are project managing the works that are happening here. So we have 3 bathroom renovations, all new pipe work. It's an older house, and so all the hot and cold water pipes need to be replaced, new sewerage, new drains, new electric, and of course my favourite part of these projects is actually choosing and the application of the tiles and the finished project. So with it being, as I say, an older house, the owners have chosen tiles that kind of reflect that and give a hint towards traditional Portuguese style. I think these are going to look stunning on the floor with the contrast, relatively plain cream tiles on the walls themselves. We've got new sanitary ware, large bath going in with a lovely niche there that's going to highlight that area, and of course new windows. In the other bathrooms, we have marble tiles going into one of the bathrooms, which will give a really nice luxurious effect. And in the third bathroom, which is going to be a large walk-in shower, the sort of cement look effect. So we have a darker wall, then contrasted with 3 walls that are lighter. Obviously, this is going to massively improve Casa Irena as a rental property, and it's going to be really exciting to show you the before and after results. I'll keep you posted.